Hello, my dear student. Welcome to our most educational webpage, BBN School Online Class. Hope you are well and safe. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine and safe. Dear learners, I will take English class for the student of class 9. Can you remember what we are discussed the previous class? Yes, I can help you. Previous class we are discussed the degree. Dear learners, please take your pen and notebook, please. I will discuss the same topics. You know that the previous classes we know how we can convert superlative to positive. So, dear guys, I will discuss about the same topics but another approach. Please, the whiteboard flow. How we can convert 0 and convert how we can convert soup to false. How we can convert to soup to false. That means sauce means superlative, false means positive. I hope that you understand. There guys, previous class I discussed just one rules. So I will discuss another rules. Please follow rules 2. Rules number 2. Rules of the convert. Rules of the convert CONVERT. Rules of the convert superlative to positive. Superlative and TIV superlative to positive. Rules of the convert superlative to positive with one of the rules of convert superlative to positive, one of them. Very few. Plus after the part of FT here, after the PA or the part of superlative very few plus after the part of superlative plus third plus as plus superlative to positive plus as plus the next part of superlative. The next part of so dear guys, please follow the blackboard. Just the rules of convert the superlative to positive. The rules of the convert superlative to positive, one of the, that is it must be in this the transfer, but you can see the one of the just the convert to superlative to positive. when you can see the one of the superlative to positive, you must be follow the same structure. This is the very few. Very few after the next part of superlative plus third plus so s plus so to pause plus s plus the next part of superlative. Okay, just I am giving an example so that's the clear. Copy is one of the copy is one of the most beautiful girl, most beautiful, beautiful girl. Copy is the most beautiful girl at Mirpur. Positive. I can see that it is an assertive sentence. It is as the assertive sentence, but its the degree means is superlative. That most, one of the, most and one of the. So this is a superlative degree. You can convert positive. So how can convert? Is this the sentences? The positive? Yes. This is the follow in this the structure. Okay. This means very few. Instead of one of the, that means very few. Okay. Instead of one of the, very few. After the part of superlative degree. That means after the part of superlative degree. Yes. After the part of superlative degree. The girl at the Mirpur. Girl at very few girl at Mirpur. Next verb. So regards very few, মানে কিছু সংখ্যক, and the girls at Mirpur. Very few girls at Mirpur are as you can use so or as superlative to positive. That means superlative to positive. Positive makes beautiful. Beautiful as after the next part of superlative degree. Yes, after the next part of superlative degree, copy. So, here I copy. Right, guys. I hope that you can understand. Very few. Next part of superlative degree. Girls at Mirpur are as very beautiful plus copy. Next example. Chittagong is the biggest city in Bangladesh. Chittagong is one of the biggest cities. CITIES cities in Chittagong is the biggest cities in Bangladesh. Chittagong is the biggest cities in Bangladesh. Chittagong is one of the biggest cities in Bangladesh. Hey guys, the Chittagong is one of the biggest cities in Bangladesh. That means Chittagong is one of the biggest cities in Bangladesh. It's a called is a assertive sentence. That means it's a superlative degree. That means we know that the EST is related as superlative degree. EST so sorry pause So compose. So how we can find out the superlative degree? How we can find out the superlative degree? Yes, we can find out the superlative degree EST. Find out comparative degree ER. And you can give up the ER EST. So that means as positive degree, such as bigger, biggest. You can give it ER big superlative EST give up, so positive. When we the give of the EST, so it's the call is positive. S give up the ER is the call is positive. Okay, but when we are at the ER, any of the word is the call is super comparative, and it's at the EST, so it's the call is superlative. Okay, superlative, positive, and comparative. Yes, sir. Dear learners, so this is one of the first of all, very few, very few, very few, very few, superlative. After the next part of superlative, very few. After the next part of superlative, cities in Bangladesh. Cities in Bangladesh. SITIES. Cities in Bangladesh. Very few cities in Bangladesh. Very few cities in Bangladesh. That means very few cities in Bangladesh. Cities is the plural form, so you can use plural form. Or as very few cities in Bangladesh are as, so as you can use so you use as are as big, are as big as the next part of superlativity. Next part of superlativity, the chain Chittagong, CITTAGO, and Chittagong. So dear learners, I hope that you are understand in these the rules. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all of the students. Those who are listening to my presentation, I will finish the class in this the time. Thank you so much, and that's all.